Chip all by himself, as per usual. And little Miss Tilly is Jasper the Bandit with his mask on. Behind him, Belle with her mask. Then we got Zeta. And we got my girl Cammie's ass. Go around, actually, let's go around the sunny side of her. Cammie. How are you, sweetheart? How are you, huh? She's like, it's too early in the morning. Let me eat my hay. A good girl. A good girl, Cammie is.